I'm every woman. It's all in me. One of my locks broke off. They broke off. I just don't wanna leave you. Might just go with the reasons why we both can't play here. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your girl B, and B looks real crazy right now, but don't watch that. This is a maintenance day. Yeah, so today is May 27th, and I have a retie today at 1 o'clock, so I'm going to be getting ready for that. I'm going to be washing my hair at home, and yeah, it's going to be a process. It's 7:50 right now, so I'm going to wash my hair. Well, no, I'm lying. I'm actually going to braid and band my hair, go do a yoga workout, then come back and wash my hair, take a shower, and then get ready to go. It's really a time crunch because I gotta leave my house by 11, so I have 3 hours, but I could get it done. But I kind of wanted to come to you guys and give you guys another video because tomorrow is the 28th, and that's going to be my 9-month Loc-versary. Your girl is just so excited. These months is going by. I'm loving it. I'm seeing the most change, but then I'm seeing the most minimal change. So it's definitely a process. I don't feel like my hair is locking yet, and I don't know. It's kind of sad. But what I'm gonna do actually is I'm going to ask my loctician once I get there, like, are the ones in the back or in the middle locking? Because I see some people that it seems like they hair locks overnight. Like literally it'll be like month 1 to 7 nothing, and then I see them month 8 locked. And I've seen that a couple of times with people who like hit their 1-year anniversary. Like once they hit their 1-year anniversary, their hair was officially locked, like you could tell. But for me, it's not yet, but we're getting there slowly but surely. But I do want to know if there's like any in the middle. Yeah, but that's where we are. So this is what just about 9 months look like, and it looks really stringy today. It looks really stringy, and I think it's because I haven't washed it in quite some time. Yeah, I just haven't washed it, and I feel like water normally gives it that, you know, plump look. And then also I had it in a ponytail all day yesterday, so that kind of like stretches my hair, or I had it in a little bun, I should say, so that stretches my hair, so it looks a lot more stretched out versus, you know, full. So yeah, that's probably that. But we're about to band our hair up and then get ready to wash it in a little bit. So this is it. I do have like a lot of dry scalp. So my edges, which are growing a little bit. Part of me really wants to count my locks, but I'm afraid. In my mind, I only want like 250, but in my mind, I feel like it's a lot more. Yeah. That's where we are. I'm still using the band and braid and band method. So I have my rubber bands here, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like once it's, you know, all done. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like braided and banded. Yeah, it didn't take me that long at all. As I said, I did bigger sections. I just wanted to make sure that my hands could fit under or at the root of the braid, and I could reach my scalp. That feels so good. This wash is gonna be really good. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did, and I'm about to, you know, do my yoga and then hop in the shower and come back once I've washed it. But yeah, not too bad. And another thing, I don't know if you could see, but in the back, like, well, it's banded now, but I have so much dandruff. Well, not even dandruff. I have so much lint in my locks from my pillow when I go to sleep. Because those are the locks that don't fit in my bonnet. It's gonna be annoying. But I guess I'll figure out what to do with that once my hair actually locks. But yeah, so let me go get ready.
Okay, so my hair is washed and I let it dry for a little bit. The ends are still really wet, but the roots aren't as dry. So, I mean, yeah, the roots are dry. So I'm just gonna let the rest of it air dry while I, head to my appointment. But washing my hair isn't that bad anymore. I feel like I finally got to a place where I'm comfortable with it. So I feel like I could definitely do it a little bit more easy. I did 3 washes. I used a tea tree oil shampoo, and it works well for my hair. It cleans it out well. As you can see, it got rid of like all the dandruff and dirt. It cleaned out the roots because I did have like some lint in the front, so it looks like that's gone, but we can't really tell until it dries. It looks so good and so full. That's why I love washing my hair. This go round I didn't really have that much of my hair unraveling, so that's pretty good. Before it was like all of this. So as you can see, the little locks that I have in the front are still pretty much intact. So for this side I don't really have much, but it's good. So yeah, I feel good. I have about 45 minutes before I have to leave, so I'm doing good timing, so that's good. I had breakfast. I picked out my outfit. I was in here having a whole little concert this morning. I don't know, y'all. It's so good to start your days a little bit earlier because it just gives you energy for the week. I was gonna throw on a gym set and go outside, but I was like, girl, put some effort into your look today. Or not even effort, but just like, I don't know. I don't want to say decent because for me, like, going out and leggings and stuff is looking decent. But I think for me, what made me say, you know what, Bianna, like, put on actual clothes is because I'm taking public transportation. And I don't know, I felt uncomfortable being in leggings and stuff like that on public transportation. Like, if I was driving, then maybe, I wouldn't mind so much. But yeah, I was like, nah, put on some pants. So I'm gonna wear some jeans, some cargo pants, kind of cargo jeans, and I'm excited. It's a very basic look, but it still looks cute. You know what I mean? It still looks cute. So that's what I'm gonna do this month. I didn't spend no money outside of like groceries and like the transportation to get to work. And then I think the only exception was Mother's Day, when I got like my mom and my sister flowers and plants. So that was like the only thing. Everything else, like, no, I saved my money. And I still don't have money. That sounds sad. I still don't have money. But the reason why I don't have any money is because I paid my credit card bills. Like, I paid them and like they're all down. Like, I'm very strategic in how I spend my money, how I pay my credit cards and all that other stuff. Yo, it looks so good. Y'all seen how it looked when I first got on the screen? It looked a hot mess. So when I tell you water works, hydrate your hair. Like, it makes the biggest difference. It does. This looks so good. Let me show you guys the roots. I hope this looks okay. Like, yeah, I'm loving my hair. Like I said, tomorrow I'll be 9 months. And your girl is excited. So I look all right. I'm about to go put on my clothes. And yeah, we're going to see what this outfit looks like. But your girl feeling herself. She's feeling herself. I'm every woman. It's all in me. Hey y'all, so of course I'm running late. I have like 5 minutes to get out of here, but this is what I'm wearing today. Some cargo pants, crop top. I'm gonna throw on my denim jacket and call it a day. So this is what my hair is looking like after the retire. I was trying to rush to make my train and I missed it, but it's okay. The next one will be here in like 8 minutes. But yeah, I love how full it looks, how good it looks, how plump it looks. Like a fresh retie is top tier. My retie session took 2 hours. It normally takes 2 hours. I got there 10 minutes late, but she did finish it 10 minutes after my original start time, so shout outs to her for that. She works really fast, super fast actually, and the fact that now that I watch it at home kind of helps, because that used to add like a 30 hour that used to add 30 minutes onto my service time. So yeah, this is perfect, and now I can head back home and it's still early, so I can enjoy the rest of my day. Once I get in the house, I'm going to show you guys a close-up of like just all angles, because when I'm late, I don't like to ask my loctician to take time to do videos, because I feel like that's, you know, inconsiderate, being that she has other clients. So yeah, I don't do that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get the best visual when I get home. One of my locks broke off. They broke off, and she was gonna try to like repair it, but she was like, the lock was too fragile, so to bring it back next time and she could kind of reattach it. I don't even know how bad it looks, because I seen it but I wasn't paying attention. I was more like my lock fell off. But I'm gonna show you guys when I get in the house that my lock, show you the lock that fell off, and which lock it was. Hopefully I could figure it out which lock it was. I know it was in the front. So yeah, we'll do that once I get back in the house. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update since you didn't get actual salon footage. All right, I'll catch y'all a little later. Hey y'all, so I'm back home, and yeah, it feels good to be home. It was a journey. Let me show y'all. Hey Siri. Okay y'all, so this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, it's the complete opposite of how it looked this morning, and it looks so good. My girl hooked me up per usual, and it was quick per usual. And for me, I don't know how many locks I have, but I know that there are certain stylists that they charge you more if you have like over 300 or 400 Microlocs. I guess they figure out that the more you have, the more time it'll take. Where I go, they just ask you for hours. So you could do like 2 hours, 3 hours, 2.5 hours, 3.5 hours, etc., etc. But yeah, 2 hours, she got me in. Can't tell you how many I got. One day we'll get to that. Maybe for my 1 year Loc-versary, I'll count my locks. That'll be when I count my locks. But I told you guys that my lock fell out. So before I show you the lock, I want to see if I can find the actual lock that fell out. It shouldn't be hard because it'll be a short one. It was somewhere over here, if I'm not mistaken. And I know she didn't combine it. Hold on. This is crazy. I can't find which one it was. So maybe it was like a really long one. I don't know, but that's so weird. But this is the lock. And it's long, so like I should be able to see it. And I seen it when she showed it to me. Sorry, I just washed my hands, so they're super dry. But she showed them to me. So like, I don't know. I'm gonna go through my hair. I'm a little impatient right now because I'm gonna relax for a little bit. I really just walked in the house, and yeah, I wanted to wrap up this video. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like 9 months post installation, and I'm loving it even more. Like, I don't know, this was definitely the best decision for me. If you're thinking about getting locked, just do it. I mean, for me, this is going to be a permanent thing. But even if it's not a permanent thing for you, like if you're thinking about doing it, just do it. It's better to do it and, you know, go through the journey. And if you decide you don't want it no more, chop it off, than to always say, I should have. Because if I could go back years ago, I would have locked my hair when I first initially wanted to. And of course it would have been traditional locks back then. but I would have locked it, and then if I would have wanted Microlocs, then I could have chopped it off and then did that, because I don't know, it's just an amazing feeling. And again, it frees up so much of your time, so much of your life, not having to worry about getting your hair done every 2 weeks, every week. It's annoying. So for me, I have my loctician who I go to every 6 weeks, and I know that I have to carve out this amount of time for that one visit, but once I do it, out of sight, out of mind. It's like clockwork, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I love it. Let me give you guys a close-up so you can see, like, you guys see the difference. You see how great and neat it looks, and do you see the parts that my loctician helps your girl out with? Like, her parts, she makes sure she keeps them neat, and I love that for me. I don't know if you're gonna see the back, but here we go. Yeah. So all in all, 10 out of 10 recommend. Yep, if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Promise you'll love it here. You can continue to follow me on my lock journey, because it's a great one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.
'Cause all I wanna do is